What you doing, Bilal?
Alien.
You're cutting alien?
Yes.
Let me see what you're cutting. Don't cut your fingers. Don't cut your fingers. Be careful. You want alien or soldier?
Alien.
Do you like SpongeBob or soldier?
Bob.
Oh, you like SpongeBob? Oh, that's good. Do you like Dora or Barbie?
Bobby.
Okay. Do you like Mommy or Beyonce?
Mommy.
Okay. Do you like
I like Trinidad.
You want me to talk to you?
Yes.